Hey everyone, want to connect Google Analytics to your Shopify store? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Analytics with Shopify step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Open the property you want to use for your Shopify store. Next, create a *web data stream * if you haven't already. Once it's ready, copy your * measurement ID from the stream settings. Now sign in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, open your Shopify settings and locate the section for Customer Events, Analytics, or Google Tag Integration, depending on your Shopify version. I mean, Shopify provides built-in options for connecting Google Analytics in supported setups. If your store uses the Google and YouTube Sales channel or another supported integration, follow the setup process to connect your Google account and select your Google Analytics property. If you're using a custom setup, add the Google Tag or Measurement ID using Shopify's supported method for your theme or customer events. After saving your changes, return to Google Analytics and open the * real-time * report. Visit your Shopify store in a new browser tab and verify that your visit appears in the real-time dashboard. Finally, allow Google Analytics to collect data over time, then use the Reports section to monitor traffic, customer behavior, and store performance. And that's how to connect Google Analytics to Shopify. Once everything is set up correctly, you'll gain valuable insights to help grow your online store and improve your marketing results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.